No, that's solid.
You're here, early blueberry. Where's Huck? We're supposed to go to the post.
Let's
Still waiting
go!
for a letter from Berry Bitty Mysteries magazine? I really hope they want to buy Huck's in my mystery story. I was sure it would come to
That's hier!
but it didn't. Then I was sure it would come yesterday. But it didn't. So I'm positive it will come today. In fact, I believe I'll go down to the post office now. I just can't
I
wait
just
for it
want to be.
over. It's too exciting. Come on, Scouty. Yoo-hoo! Anybody here?
Oh, Blueberry! You startled me. I was looking for my
What,
special
good?
delivery stamp. Oh, what can I do for you?
Did a letter come for me, JD Bug?
Blueberry.
I told that me to stay.
Silly me, I forgot. There was a letter for you.
Was?
It's on the way to your bookstore. Special delivery.
Oh, it's way too... You're delivering it to... Come on, Scouty!
No.
Excuse me. Wait. Come back. Wait. Don't you have a letter for me? Special delivery? What is it, Scouty? We have to catch that postal bee. Oh, the letter's been delivered. Thank you, Scouty. You knew where it was all along. It's from Berry Bitty Mysteries magazine. This is it, Scouty. Cross your fingers. I mean toes. We regret to inform